Hello, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. This video is regarding Patanjal Sutra. Before starting this video, I request you all to like, share my videos and subscribe my channel. This video is in English language on Patanjal Sutra. Videos on Patanjal Sutra are also available in Hindi language on my channel. Today, I will discuss regarding first slok of Patanjal Sutra. Patanjal Sutra is divided into four parts. First part is known as Samadhipad, second part Sadhanpad, third part Vibhutipad, and last pad is known as Kevalyapad. So, first slok of Patanjal Sutra's Samadhipad is Ath Yog Anusasanam. It means now let's start the discipline of yoga. In Vedic Grantha, word has two different connotations. The first is for good, auspicious commencement of the subject, and the second signals the value of what you are about to venture into. After the discipline has equipped himself with four means of salvation, then disciple can start. That is, he has equipped himself with specific skill to understand the Grantha, then that is the beginning of yoga discipline. According to Patanjali Sutra, let us now begin the practice of yoga. The use of word now directly means that so far it has happened, but now it will not be done, meaning thereby that some essential preparation has been done to move ahead. Let us now move forward. I have made a mistake, but now it will not be repeated. It is clear that in Maharishi Patanjali's yoga, there is a mention of a special sadhana or special instructions before entering it, and according to Maharishi Patanjali, you can start the yoga discipline only when you are mentally and theoretically ready. In the material world, also, it is mandatory to have cleared class 12th to be eligible for admission in graduation course. This is a practical example. Not only eligible to get admission, but you can be taught and made to understand. Likewise, yoga is eligibility for admission to lifetime activity, and only those who have the ability will be admitted. Now, what is required or what is ability to enter the yoga discipline? When you are hopeless after trying all external methods, your mind is eager to find the kingdom, soul of your heart. You are well aware of your drawbacks and you are searching to get rid of them. Have a strong desire to be free from affection, hatred, jealousy, lust, anger, and greed. Only such a man can get entry to yoga or to practice yoga discipline. For such a man, Maharishi Patanjali has said, now, when you have a mind like this, then let us begin the practice of yoga discipline. Hope you like this video. Thanks.